Hello everyone, welcome back to Nakshatra Rubik's. In today's video, we are going to solve this 2 by 2 by 3 cube, which is also called as the tower cube. I'm gonna teach you how to solve this 2 by 2 by 3 cube in a very simple and easy steps using only two algorithms. So for this cube, the notations goes 2 times for R, 2 times for L. Okay, 2 times. You have to turn 2 times one layer to make it as 1. And for the top layer, it is only one turn. U, U, I. Any turn you can take only one time. U dash, U, U, U. Okay, but for the right layer and the left layer you have to turn 2 times, and for the front layer as well you have to turn 2 times so that it will complete the one round. Now without wasting time, let's shuffle this cube and start solving. Once you have shuffled cube, first you need to start solving with the white on the top. So yellow will be in the bottom. Here you can see on my top I have two diagonals white on the top and I have two straight line whites in the bottom. So first I'm gonna bring those two whites to the top. See, the two whites are in sleeping line position, so I'm making it standing line and directly bringing it to the top. So here you can see the three whites are there on the top, and the last one white which we want is in the bottom, so you need to adjust it according to the position of the top single white. So here I am keeping it on my left bottom. See, you can see the single white is on my right side down. So if you bring it down so that it both should get matched and make it standing line so that you can take it to the top like this. So the white is completed. When white is completed, the yellow will also get completed automatically. So sometimes when your cube is already shuffled, you will end up like this. The three whites already on the top, one white will be in the bottom. So at that time again you need to see the one white which is on my right bottom. So if you want to get it to the top, you need to attach it with the other white like this, make it standing line and then bring it to the top. So the white will get completed. Again, when white is completed, yellow will also get completed. Here again I'm going to show how to pair it from the opposite side. I have diagonals on the top but two standing line white in the bottom. So I am directly bringing it to the top. The one white is on my left side, so other white I am taking it to the right side bottom. So if I bring left side down, it will become a sleeping line, again making standing line on the left side and bring those two whites to the top. So this is how you have to complete the white. So once white and yellow is completed, next step is to check the layer of the cube. Here you can see the layer is not completed for the white, but for yellow the down layer is already completed. So you should not worry about the layer which is completed or not. First step is to just fix the white and yellow only. Next, in the second step, we are going to complete the first layer of the cube. So to complete the layer, first you need to check is there any bar of same color on the top. So here you can see in the top layer I don't have any bar, all are different color. So I'm using this algorithm to complete the line. R, U, R, U dash, R, F, U dash, F, U, F. So here you can see I got a bar on one side, but the layer is still not completed. Again, to complete the layer, first you have to keep bar on your left side and repeat this algorithm. The bar should be on the left side, please don't forget. R, U, R, U dash, R, F, U dash, F, U, F. Here we go, the layer of the cube is completed. The first layer and the bottom layer both are completed. Again, for the reference, I am going to give you one more example where yellow and white is already completed, but both the layers are not completed and we don't have any bars on the top layer and the bottom layer. All the colors are different. Here you can see I don't even have any bars at all. At this point you can face any color your side and do this algorithm. R U R U dash R F U dash F U F. So you will get a bar at this point. Keep the bar on your left side and repeat the algorithm again so that the first layer of this cube will get completed. So here you can see the first layer of the cube is already completed. So repeat these steps for the down layer as well. Do the same thing. Again in the down layer I don't have any bars, so I am repeating the algorithm. R U dash R F U dash F U F. So you will get a bar. Keep the bar on your left hand side. Repeat the algorithm. R U dash R F U dash F U F. That's all. The layer has been completed. The first layer and the last layer both are completed. We use same formula to complete both the layers. Now the last step is to match this middle layer so that the cube will get completed. Here in my case, all the blocks in the middle are opposite to each other. In this case, first you need to turn the right layer and check is there any color forming a bar. So here you can see the orange is forming a bar in the middle. So if I turn the other sides are not forming the bar because it is not the exact opposite colors. So whichever the side the bar is forming, you have to hold that side in front of you and do this algorithm. R U2 R U2 or U2. So one side it is already solved. So now let's line up all together and match all the layers. Here again I have one more case where these two are interchanged with each other. The color which are interchanged with each other, keeping on right hand side, do the formula again. R U2 or U2 or U2. So the cube is solved. That's all. Here again I'm going to show you one more method to solve this middle layer when you get opposite edges. First you need to check the bar, whichever the side the bar is getting, face that side, and you can do this algorithm. R middle layer turn 2 times, again then R. Now the middle layer turn again 2 times, R, and again middle layer turn 1 time, then R. Now everything is matched. That's all. So line up all together. So here you will get the opposite two colors. So when you get opposite two colors, do the same thing again. R middle layer turn 2 times, R middle layer turn 2 times. That's all. The cube got solved. This is a very easy algorithm. You can turn the top layer or middle layer 2 times to solve this cube. Here again we have one more case where the middle layer all are different. We don't have any bars or we don't have any matching colors, nothing. All are different. So I'm just trying to match the bar. R U2 R U2, again R U2. So here we go. So one side is completed and we got again the exchanged sides. Whichever the side is exchanged, keeping it on the right side, doing the algorithm again. Please repeat the same algorithm for all the cases whichever you are getting so that your cube will get solved. We use only 2 algorithms in this cube. Hope you all like my video. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe. We'll get back with more cube solving videos. Until then, take care. Happy cubing. Bye bye.